Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette. In case you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. So today I'm going to be performing an eyebrow tutorial, a perfect eyebrow tutorial, and we are going to start right away. But before we start, if you like the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment on the comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any video, and hit the post notification bell so that you may be the first one to see the video whenever I upload it. Otherwise, let's get to the video. So first, I'm going to start by brushing through my brows gently with a spoolie brush. I'm going to brush through my eyebrows gently using my spoolie brush. So this is how a spoolie brush looks like. It kind of looks like a mascara brush, though it's not. This is only designed for your eyebrows. Alternatively, you can use a mascara brush if you don't have the spoolie brush. Next up, I'm going to be using an eye pencil from Air Woman Cosmetics in the color number 18. Then I'm going to start drawing lines beneath my eyebrow. When you're drawing your lines for the eyebrows, make sure you don't make harsh lines when you're drawing your eyebrows so that you can get a good end result. Then above my eyebrows, I'm not going to start from the beginning of my eyebrow. I'm going to leave a small space and then draw the line from the other side. Make sure as you draw your eyebrow lines, you follow the exact shape of your eyebrows. I'm going to repeat the same process for the other eyebrow. Yeah, so I'm going to draw the beneath line and then the above line. So again, I'm going to repeat. Make sure you follow the exact shape of your eyebrow so that you don't look funny. Your eyebrows may not look artificial. Remember, our aim is to make our eyebrows look as natural as possible. Next up, I'm going to be using a small pencil. The size doesn't matter, but the sharpness, if I may call it that. So the second pencil is not as sharp as the first one because I'm using it to fill in. And while filling in, make sure you fill in the necessary spaces. What do I mean by saying necessary spaces? The necessary spaces are the spaces on your eyebrows that don't have hair completely. Otherwise, the spaces that have hair, you just need to make light strokes to make hair-like structures. So I'm going to do the same for the other eyebrow. Just fill in the necessary spaces. So I'm sure that's pretty much it. Light strokes at the beginning of the eyebrow to make hair-like structures and fill in the empty spaces at the end of your eyebrow. At the end of your eyebrow, you may also call it the tail. Next up is cleaning your brows, also termed as concealing your brows. So I'm going to be using LA Pro Conceal, and I'm going to smear a little amount on my hand so that I may use an angled brush. I prefer using an angled brush to the brush that is already in my concealer. So that's how my angled brush looks like. So I'm going to take a little amount of the concealer and clean my brows. I'm going to clean beneath and above my brows to get a crisp, clean and natural looking brow. So that's what I'm doing right now. As you clean your brow, make sure to be very, very accurate. You don't want your brows having different shapes and looking funny and all that. So be very accurate. Hold your brush well and clean them well. So I'm cleaning above my eyebrows and I'm going to use the same technique. Be accurate, be careful, and follow what you drew at first. Follow what you drew with your pencil so that you may be able to clean it. To me, drawing the eyebrow it's not a must. It becomes accurate, but when it comes to concealing, it's a must because this is what determines how your makeup will look. at first when you look at a lady, the first thing that you'll spot is the eyebrows. So I recommend that you be careful when concealing your eyebrows, and do it with what can I say, love. Okay, be careful when concealing your eyebrows, so that you may get a good end result. With love. That was a joke, by the way. Anyway, moving on to the second brow. I'm going to repeat the same technique. I'm going to clean above my brow, and I'm going to follow the same procedure. Yeah, so that is how you clean your brows. My brush seems to be doing wonders. Yeah, so that's how you do it. Make sure you clean them well so that they may look similar. When I clean my brows, I like to look at them once or twice to make sure that they are even in size, shape, and all that. So I'm just correcting the small errors that I may have made along the way, and that is what I'm doing right now. So that's it for cleaning the eyebrows. Next up, I'm going to blend in the concealer around my eyebrows using an angled brush that is flat angled brush. So that is how my brush looks like. I'm going to blend around my eyebrows, making sure that the concealer completely blends in my skin. So that's how my brush looks like. If you didn't get it the first time, it's flat and angled. So yeah, blending, blend until you get the final result that suits you, So like, make sure that the concealer has completely blended in your skin, so that even nobody will notice that you applied concealer on top. Like I think some content creators are saying that they will use a foundation on the above the eyebrows because they kind of, they don't like the highlighting of the concealer, something of the sort. But if you blend it well, Makiomi, it will be good, it will be great. Even after some time, it will not be showing. So make sure you blend it. For me, I take a lot of time when I'm blending my eyebrows concealer, because I really need it to be outstanding. So that's what I'm doing right now. Take as much time as possible. Just make sure you get the final result being outstanding. Blend. As you can see that the concealer has completely blended on my skin. So I like using a spoolie once again to brush through my brows after I've cleaned my brows and shaped them, so that they may look as natural as possible. So that's what I'm doing. Brush through your brows after you've cleaned them and done all those procedures on them. So that is what I have for my eyebrows. So I'm going to just slightly blend out the excess concealer that I can see around my eyes, and voila, that's the end product. So guys, we have come to the end of our video, and this is the final look of my eyebrows. You can see that brushing through the eyebrows after concealing and cleaning them makes them look natural as possible. So I decided to do my full face makeup today, and that is how my makeup looks like. In case you like my makeup, be sure to comment on the comment section and I'll be glad to make a video for you. In case you don't know how to apply falsies on your eyes, you can just comment on the comment section and I'll be glad to make a video for you. Otherwise, thank you guys and see you in the next video. Bye.